Yeah, Sam Tahana's my name. Born in Tokoroa, but I was atawhai to my father. I called my father Mini Tahana. He was a kaumātua around here. Yeah, brought up here, went to school up here, and was lucky enough to be around all these old fellas that are all gone now. And the Warawara, for me, that's my safe place. When shit hits the fan and go hunting, that's the place where I feel safe. Yes, I can remember when there's no possums. The bird life, the pig hunting, everything was plentiful. Even the toiro and that growing up, snapper. It's sort of come back now, and like the snappers come back, the scallops come back, toiros have come back. We had a big gap there when they all disappeared. It was hard fishing. So I have seen a massive change, especially in the last, 30 years. We belong to this place, and it's a sacred place, this place, and not enough people go up there anymore, especially you'd be amazed how many people from here haven't even been on the maunga. I think we gotta start getting our kids and getting them in there now so they learn to love the place, and they're the ones that are gonna protect it at the end of the day. It's the second biggest kauri forest in New Zealand. The history here is massive, and it needs looking after. Get on top of your maunga and have a look. Just get up there and, It's amazing when you're in there, you got no outside interruption, what actually floods into your head. That's what I'm trying to do, is get my boys in there and just show them the tūranga waiwai. Got them to the top of their maunga was good. I love it. Yeah. But beautiful place there, Warawara. The Warawara is our pātaka kai. Look after our pātaka kai, and the Warawara will look after us.